On the afternoon of the 29th of July 2023, police received an emergency call from an elderly mother reporting that her daughter, Kimberly, was violently destroying the bathroom and screaming uncontrollably. The incident started after the woman's twin granddaughters accidentally ate a box of cereal that belonged to Kimberly. Since the residents had a history of domestic disturbances, officers were quickly dispatched to the scene.
Hi. Good. Where's Kimberly at?
There she is. Says she want to go to jail, so.
She said she want to go to jail?
Want to go to jail. Coming here acting crazy.
Hey, what you doing, girl?
Look at here. Look at here.
Through the stuff for her.
Told
Every time I come back, the house is trashed. It's really nasty.
No.
And I don't want to hurt nobody.
Okay.
Y'all take her on this time. You done been here before? Have you been here?
Yeah, I've dealt with Kimberly a bunch.
She's not on my lease. Take her on.
Okay.
And he's taking my money.
Shoot, she ain't had no money. She don't get nothing.
Can you go into the living room for me?
She don't get nothing, but look in the bathroom.
I'm going to look. Will you go into the living room for me?
We trying to get along with.
What is that? Ma'am, will you go into the living room, please?
Yeah, son, throw that up. Like I'm getting up.
What is this? What is
She
this?
dropped the shower curtain down,
Oh, okay.
and the stuff fell on the floor.
Okay.
Come in here about a box of cereal.
Okay.
A box of cereal. I didn't know that was your box.
I'm tired of it.
When officers arrived and spoke with the elderly mother, they quickly uncovered the bizarre cause behind the chaos: 2 simple boxes of cereal. What began as a minor misunderstanding between family members had spiraled into a violent outburst, turning an ordinary afternoon into another tense call for police intervention at a home already known for domestic troubles.
Go somewhere. Did you find it?
I won't never come back.
No,
Never
come
take
back.
no more money.
No,
She take my money because she know I'm disabled.
Okay.
Don't give me no money.
Are you trying to
I'm
leave?
mentally- I got a mental
Kim,
health.
are you trying to leave?
No.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
I don't know. She keep trying to lock me up.
What do
Ask her. She called the police.
Okay.
You see what she did?
Can you go on into the living room, please? Thank you. Why are you packing a suitcase?
Because I'm leaving.
Okay, you
She
just,
said, I called the police and I can't stay here no more.
okay.
She called the police.
You want to go to the hospital?
I don't care where you send me. I don't care. He called the police.
I know.
I'll go to the hospital.
Have you been taking your meds like you're supposed to?
Yes, ma'am.
When's the last time you took them?
Every month.
You just take them every month? You
Yes,
go to
ma'am.
Advantage and get the shot?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. When's the last time you had it?
Look, can you please just let me out of here? Please.
We're going to. When's the last time you had your shot?
When the last time I had my shot?
Yeah.
I don't have no shot. I don't have to
You
take
said
it
you
once
take
a
your
month.
meds once a month?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when's the last time you took it?
Can you please just let me out of here?
Yeah, that's going to happen, but I need you to answer some questions so I can get you some help.
Once a month, I take my shot.
When are you due for another one?
I'll do it once a month. Once a month.
No need.
Every month.
Okay, so it's almost August. So when are you due for it? Like what day out of the month do you take your shot? Or take your meds?
Every month.
Right, what day?
Every month. Well, I don't know what day.
Is it like the first of the month? The 15th? Okay.
I get my other stuff
What other stuff?
in here.
Well, if you're going to the hospital, then you're probably not going to be packing everything.
I'm not going to.
The officers remained calm and patient while speaking with Kimberly, trying to de-escalate the situation. But her sudden outburst and erratic behavior forced them to act immediately, turning a tense conversation into a swift intervention to prevent anyone from getting hurt.
Kimberly!
I'm not going to no hospital.
No.
I'm
not going to
no
no
hospital.
Put
Y'all
this
better get
down.
her out of here.
I'm not going to no hospital.
Turn around.
I'm not
I'm
going.
gonna knock you.
Turn it
knock
down.
you in the head.
Hey, stop.
I'm not
You
going.
making me mad.
Stop.
Take her on out of here. Don't come back. Tell
I'll never come back.
don't come back. You're not on the
I will
lease.
never come back.
Don't
I'm
come
dead.
back.
I'm not going to the hospital.
Don't come back.
I'm not going.
Yeah.
Kimberly, stop
You
it.
did it. You
Kim,
always doing stuff.
stop.
I ain't
It's not my
doing
kid.
that. You come back here ready to hell about the box.
Stupid.
About the
That's
box of cereal.
my bitch.
Yeah. Take your ass on.
When I meant,
Don't come
Put
back.
your face against
see
the
you
wall.
again, I'm gonna be
Yeah. I know you did.
dumb.
That's enough.
Always trying to accuse me of something.
You come in here right to have.
Okay, you're not helping.
Okay,
Is that TV broken?
I hope not, because I just been called. Ma'am,
All right, let's go out to the car.
Can you get my purse?
Walk out to the car.
I need my purse.
We'll figure that out in a minute. I'm not gonna let you stand here and scream at her, so come on.
You threatening me with the hospital?
Nope, you're going to jail now.
I'm not going back to the hospital for nobody.
I'll talk to you in a minute. You're going to the jail, that's what you're doing.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
My sister took
Nope.
my purse.
Move.
I have to ask the officer.
Do you have anything on you
No.
that's gonna poke me, stick me, or anything illegal? Spread your feet. Spread your feet more. Further. I need to be, spread your feet out further. You need to spread your feet so I can search you.
The officers handcuffed Kimberly and escorted her outside. Before placing her in the patrol car, they carefully conducted a full search to ensure she wasn't carrying any weapons or dangerous objects, following standard safety protocol during an arrest.
You got anything in your bra?
No.
Turn. All right. Have a seat. You're related to her, right? That's right. Where'd she come back from?
Me and her went to Burlington and then
Mhm.
Kroger. My mom and nephew stay in Arbor Ridge. I know he couldn't have been brought her home. Somebody boosted.
She broke some stuff in there, and then while I was there trying to get her out to go to the hospital, she threatened her mama, told her she was going to beat her ass and knock the TV off the
She did that in
TV
the past.
stand
If
thing.
y'all look it up,
well,
she got mad, and that's what she did. And this bigger TV,
yeah.
she got mad and called up y'all on us, and it's on whatever y'all record. And my mama had to get a restraining order then, because you saw the hallway.
Mhm.
She did this. She had my mama phone flipped on, broke it.
Mhm.
Did something. I said, whoa, I called 911. She was walking slowly. My mom said, get out, blah, 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 blah. And she turned around at that time. It was on record. She shoved my mom.
Yeah. Well, she's trying to get at her and try to beat her while I was there and knock the TV off. And I was trying to get her to go to the hospital to begin with because it didn't get to go that far.
She's a patient in it.
I know I'm very familiar with her.
And I don't know. I don't go
But
with
she went too far with me present, so I'm not. She's got to go to the jail. Yeah.
She needs to go
And you
to
hang
jail,
out with her while I go back
She on
inside.
probation or whatever. And y'all
Okay.
gonna find out. Do
Yeah.
she need her purse? That's what she asked me.
I'm gonna handle her stuff.
Okay.
After placing Kimberly in the patrol car and speaking briefly with her, the officers returned inside to check on the elderly mother. They asked about the damaged television and whether she had been hurt during the incident, making sure the home was safe and that no further property had been destroyed.
Okay. Is the TV broke?
I don't think so, ma'am. I just looked at it. She did it often.
She did what?
No, she pushed it down.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not taking all that with me.
Oh.
I'm gonna take her purse. So the TV still works though. Yes. Okay. You want me to help you lift it?
Yeah, okay. All right.
So what was the fight over?
About cereal.
Mhm.
Who owned her cereal?
Mhm.
I said, I didn't know it was her daughter, her son daughter.
Mhm.
But my son adopted.
Mhm.
Okay, so he's out of town. He'll be back tomorrow. That's why I said, well, I thought you didn't know about it. I didn't know they was your cereal. That's what she blowed up about.
Okay. And you used it to feed them?
Yeah.
Okay.
They do some.
Okay. What are their names? How old are y'all? You know your birthday? You're 7. What's your birthday? You don't know? Do you know their birthday? Did you buy do you buy the shower curtain stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. How much does that cost?
About $15.
Can you
Don't.
check to see if I plugged it in, so if you don't mind checking to see if it works.
The TV.
Yeah, come here and knock it down.
Remember she did that when she broke the phone? I told her all
Yeah, she did.
this. You don't never let her come back.
The color looks fine and it's working okay. Did she touch you at all today before I got here?
No.
Just broke the shower curtains.
Saying, well, who owns her cereal? I said, well, I didn't know there was those, the Rice Krispies. We got 4 boxes of it. So I get a cereal from. You know, I said, well, I'll buy you another box. Oh, I can't have that. Don't go, blah, blah, blah.
She busted her, thought we moved her pants. She sleep. My mama let her sleep in that room. She thought we moved her clothes, her pants, and stuff. Then she found
Y'all
it.
want some stickers?
She found it later on, but she fussed at us.
She's going to jail for criminal trespass for the shower curtains and probably simple assault for. How'd you feel when she was yelling at you about?
I thought she was going to
Yeah.
get me.
Okay, so she's probably going to go for simple assault for that as well. Okay, y'all have a good one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
Thank you so much.
In the end, Kimberly was taken into custody and charged with simple assault, family violence, and criminal trespass. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured. The incident, sparked by something as trivial as a box of cereal, serves as a stark reminder of how untreated mental health issues and unresolved family tension can quickly escalate into chaos, and how compassion, patience, and proper support are just as vital as law enforcement intervention.